Kicking things off with AI-powered content creation. Think about platforms like GPT 3.5. These tools can help churn out compelling scripts, articles, and more. By establishing an AI-driven content service, you can charge businesses for providing them with tailor-made content, easing their workload and boosting their productivity. Moving on to AI in marketing. Algorithms in AI can sift through data, analyze it, and optimize marketing campaigns. You could start a consultancy, offering services to businesses eager to enhance their marketing strategies with the power of AI. Now, consider the field of education. AI can be harnessed to develop educational materials, courses, or even tutoring services. AI-powered platforms can personalize learning experiences, attracting a vast audience who are willing to pay for customized educational content. Onto AI app development. AI is a crucial element in app creation, from chatbots to personalized experiences. For those with coding skills, consider creating and selling AI-driven applications or offering AI integration services for existing apps. Lastly, we have AI product recommendations. By developing an AI-based product recommendation platform, you can join forces with e-commerce businesses. They can use your platform and you can earn through affiliate marketing or a commission-based model. In conclusion, these are just a few of the many ways to monetize AI and earn a living. Remember, AI is a tool that can be leveraged across a multitude of industries. So take the plunge into the world of AI and unlock new possibilities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you can stay updated with more insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring and keep innovating.